Hi guys, welcome to Reviews with Rowdy. Today we have the 30-day supply of Arbonne's protein and we're going to see what it comes with. My friend Heather is a supplier and she really talked me into it. So let's see what we got. First off, shipping super fast. I ordered it and like 2 days later it was here. She was on it. We have a 30-day supply of the Arbonne Essentials Protein Shake Mix. I got it in the chocolate flavor because I am a chocoholic. I haven't tried it yet. We also got the Arbonne Essentials Detox Tea, herbal. It is caffeine free. Comes with 20 bags. Let's see. One bag makes about 8 fluid ounces of tea. It's one serving. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to make. Smells really good, like it's got some peppermint in it. Come in these nice little packages here. Okay. We also got the Arbonne Essentials Digestion Plus. You can already see, but they're these little drink sticks that are filled with probiotics. You know, like if you like Activia yogurt or kombucha. Kombucha is a great source of live probiotics. These are really great. You can't even taste them. They taste like anything you put them in. Water still tastes like water. Juice still tastes like juice. Just a little drink mix. Okay. She also threw in this vegan cleansing milk, Arbonne little skin cream here. It comes in this cute little tube. Non-foaming milk featuring plant-derived ingredients gently removes makeup, impurities, leaving a smoothing layer on skin so it feels protected and calm. A Gastache blend moisturizes skin to reduce the look of irritation and redness. Formulated for sensitive, stressed skin, but safe for all skin types. It's clinically tested for sensitive skin and hypoallergenic. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. They do have this in big bottles too, but this is just like a little trial. Smells good. It feels good. It's just like a nice little cleansing lotion. I hear it takes makeup off really well. We also have the Rescue and Renew Pure Essential Oil. It's tea tree. Okay, it's for aromatic use or topical use. Dilution is required if you're going to use it topically with like a coconut oil or a jojoba oil or water even. It's not to be taken orally. Do not drink this. Yeah. Pretty good essential oil. Put it in your little essential oil burners and you're good to go. I also got this whole maybe catalog here. Arbonne, Flourish. Okay. It goes over pretty much all of their products. They've been in business for 40 years. There's a letter from the CEO right in here. It says, "Hello. As we celebrate Arbonne's 40th year, I look back at the incredible growth this company and community have experienced. From the original spark that inspired Peter Morrick to create a company that made skincare with cleaner ingredients, to the ever-improving high standards we apply to hundreds of present-day Arbonne skincare, nutrition, and personal care products, I can say Arbonne has taken that spark and ignited change throughout the industry. From this strong foundation, we have flourished together and created a caring, welcoming community whose passion and commitment are unmatched. If you are new to Arbonne, I encourage you to reach out to the consultant who shared this with you so you can see the possibilities of our products and community that it offers. We want to empower each consultant and client by providing the best in opportunity, clean products to fully support our philosophy of integrated wellness. We believe we can affect real change by offering better product choices that won't harm you or the planet, and that's pretty good. Our plans for the future include increased sustainability and a continued practice of transparency, further establishing Arbonne as an industry leader in clean, healthy living with a wellness approach that focuses on the whole person and the environment. This is an exciting journey, and I'm truly delighted to share it with you. Take care of each other. Jean David Schwartz, Arbonne CEO." Super sweet. But it's a really nice put together like magazine even. It shows the skincare products, the hair care products. Wow. It even shows makeup, so I didn't even know they had makeup, but it looks like they have quite a big selection. Body care, essential oils, lotions, sun creams. Oh yeah. They have all kinds of stuff in here. But what I'm doing is the 30-day cleanse. So I'll be doing the detox teas, the proteins, which is meal replacing for twice a day for 30 days, which I don't really need to lose weight, but I do need more protein. And it is vegan, so that is all aligned with what I like in life. This looks like my receipt. It comes with a nice little letter here from the company. That's all for the unboxing though, so I guess I'll make a shake and tell you how it tastes. Okay, I have mixed up some of that chocolate Arbonne shake mix powder, protein powder. It says 2 scoops with 9 ounces of milk, and I use Almond Breeze original unsweetened almond milk. I'm not a fan of dairy. I'm lactose intolerant, so I really have to be careful about what I eat and drink. Yeah. Got this cute little protein shaker bottle. My friend Jackie got it for me the other day. Makes it easier if you put milk in and then put the protein powder in, or you get the protein powder at the bottom. I'll show you the scoop. It comes with a scoop, about this big, and once you do 2 scoops. 2 scoops per 9 ounces of milk or water. It smells like hot chocolate. Alright, let's try it. Yeah. So it says 2 scoops for 9 ounces, but I would do at least like 11 or 12 ounces of milk with 2 scoops, because it was a little thick with just 9 ounces, but when I added a little more milk to it, it made it thinner and much better. So. It tastes really good though.